We're here at Universal Studios Japan, and it's finally time for Yoshi's Adventure. My little sister been waiting to ride this Yoshi's Adventure. Let's see what it's like to explore the Mushroom Kingdom, Yoshi style. Grab your eggs and your adventure spirit, let's go. We're hopping on Yoshi. How cute is this ride vehicle? The attention to detail here is insane. Every corner feels alive. You're about to glide through the Mushroom Kingdom. The views from up here are amazing. Look at all the Yoshis, they're everywhere. Spot the hidden characters. Who can you find? Every moment feels like stepping inside a Mario level. This is honestly one of the cutest rides I've ever been on. Not gonna lie, this might be the chillest, most wholesome ride at USJ. If you love Mario, this is a must-do. If you're planning a trip to USJ, don't skip this one. And that's a wrap on Yoshi's Adventure. Thanks for watching. More USJ adventures coming soon.